you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to receive my second box of Marked by INKED. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the February/March box because this is a bi-monthly box. This is now my second box to receive, and I'm really excited to see what's inside because the last box was amazing. I did buy a 6-month subscription, which is 3 boxes. So I have one more box on my prepaid plan to know what I'm going to do, but I'm probably going to renew at least for another 3 more months or 3 more boxes. So another 6 months. So, because it was just so good. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have this time. If I can get my knife in there. There we go. So when you open it up, ooh, okay, so there's the artwork on the inside. They do put this here, and I believe it's a postcard. Yes, it is a postcard. So it's just like last box. And it says, all of me is illustrated. Picture is Rich D. Cotis, C-O-T-I-S, who wears a back piece by Todd Noble. So now I got the sticky stuff off. Here is that postcard right there. So there's item number 1. And it says, Culture Style Art. Marked by INKED represents a cultural movement anchored in creative expression with products and experiences that reflect this philosophy. And then here is the book. Now, the last time I told you guys, I thought this was an amazing touch. Not only do I love the black and red together, but they put this little, it's like a seal, and it's like the little, like a wax seal on it, which I think is just super cute. And I think I saved the last one as well, and I'll probably save this one too. But that's the little seal that's on the top. So cute. So then let's get inside of here, and that's what it looks like. And I did receive an email, and it said, please confirm your shirt size for this box. So apparently, yes, there is a shirt in here. So let's go ahead and turn. Featured artist is Jess Maschetti. Not sure, that gorgeous girl right there. And it goes over all of the items. So awesome. Oh, and I did notice they have this new tattoo book, and I so want to get it, but it's $70. So I'm toying with the idea. I don't know, because I do have a few tattoo books now, but that looks amazing. That's brand new. So it's always like intriguing. And I'm like, but $70 is kind of a lot. So I'm still waiting on that. So let's go ahead and open up the shirt first. Let's see what we have. And let's see. So there's a V-neck, and it says, all of me is illustrated. So this looks like this is a woman's size shirt. Woman's size shirt. Like a women's shirt, not a men's shirt. But it is a V-neck. And it says, all of me is illustrated. And then it does have the logo of by INKED on the sleeve. But let's go ahead and see what it says about the shirt. Exclusive t-shirt inspired by Ray Bradbury's new book, All About Me Illustrated, the book that I was just telling you guys about, which showcases the most stunning tattooed bodies of all time. And that shirt is valued at $25. It seems very thin for a $25 shirt. I mean, I could see right through that. Look at my thumb. Look at my thumb. Look at my thumb. So I don't know about $25, but you know. And this postcard right here is $5 for a postcard. That's $5. Okay, so then now I'm seeing Karma Cure Hemp for Life sticker. That is very cute. I do start collecting these little stickers, and I'm sticking them in my book. This is probably just for the item, the hemp. Yes. So here it says contains 500 milligrams of hemp oil and MSM for happy hands. Hemp for crafty hands. I am crafty. Natural, moisturizing, unscented, quick drying. So this is from this company right here. And this says an all natural hand cream made for crafty hands. Hemp for Life's blend contains natural hemp oils that decreases skin's dryness, reduces inflammation, and provides arthritis relief. Valued at $15 for this guy. Definitely it's not scented and it looks like a normal, ew, it looks chunky. Why is it so chunky? Why does it look chunky? It looks like chunky. I don't know, but let me just put it on my hand and let's see. Definitely there's no scent, so that's good. I mean, it feels good, but moisturizer is moisturizer, but this has hemp seed oil, so it might have better beneficial factors for our hands. So there's that. Again, that's valued at $15. Now that I have lotion all over my hands, it's still kind of wet. All right, so now we have, it says Deathwish Coffee Co, the world's strongest instant coffee, 8 packs of single serve packets. I don't know about you guys, but I can never have a instant coffee taste good to me. I can't. I've tried, but I'll try this one out. I'll see. I'll try it out. It says warning, the world's strongest coffee, and there's 8 little packets in there. So this is valued at $18. The preferred coffee of the astronauts in the International Space Station. Deathwish instant coffee gives you the same strong, bold taste as the world's strongest coffee. So I'll definitely try that because I love me some coffee. That's for sure. Okay, so now we have is a Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home volumizing mascara. Holy moly, I can't talk today. It is Friday. It is Friday. And it's like, it got really cold. Yesterday was 85 degrees, nice and warm, feeling great. Today, 45 degrees. I'm like, ooh, this is a big one. This is a thick, big one. And it says go big or go home right on there. I've had the little tiny sample sizes, but I've never had a full size. This is valued at $23. Again, this is huge. Whoa. So there's the wand. An extreme volume vegan mascara powered by plant-based fats. Go big or go home is to be the holy grail of mascaras that deliver an eye-opening effect that lasts all day without smudging. And you guys, I've always heard wonderful things about her liners, but I don't do liquid liners. So I'm definitely excited to try out a full size. And on the box, it does show really nice before and after. So I'm definitely going to try that out. That's valued again at $23. So then now we have is Tattoo Care. Prevents scabbing, protects, moisturizes, soothes, enhances color, new and old. That's awesome. So this guy right here says Green Goo Tattoo Care, an herbal infused formulated to soothe the pain and swelling associated with a freshly inked skin. I don't have to, but I say I won't get another tattoo unless I use Sanoderm. So I wouldn't be able to use this right after because I'll have Sanoderm on it. But as soon as I take the Sanoderm off, I will definitely use this on it. And I have an appointment tomorrow. So, but it says it soothes the pain of swelling associated with freshly inked skin. Over time, it helps keep your colors vibrant and your tattoos looking fresh and new. This is valued at $25. So there's that little balm right there. Let me just see. Yeah, I mean, it's a balm. So when you put it on, it definitely does brighten them up. So that's really cool. I will definitely start using that on my tattoos because I normally just use lotion. So something that's better is I will definitely try that out. So again, that's valued at $25. So then now we have something in this bag. It's an all white bag. And it looks like we have 2 little sample products. this little thing is cool. Like when you open it, you tuck the thing in so you can kind of close it and it's not gonna leak out. But it's a FAM. It's a frequency awakening moisturizer. And then this is a pain relieving gel, ultimate pain relief. So here's 2 little sample guys. These are bonus goods. There's no price on them. They're under bonus goods. And so this one says that it's a natural pain relief gel and a chili pepper extract that customers can't live without. Unlike other pain relievers, this blocks your body's pain signal at the source, giving you true relief. Wow. And then this one says tattoo aftercare enriched with CBD that will awaken, restore, hydrate, and rehabilitate your skin. This is lab tested to ensure purity and potency. That's awesome. So you have 2 little bonuses. They're not like dollar valued. They're just extra additive bonuses, which that's always amazing. Okay, so then now we have is Deathwish Coffee Co. How cool. Here's an actual patch. And the patch does come with it. So that patch and the coffee combined together, this is the $18. So that's really neat. So there's a little patch. So these are just little brochures of the items that were included so you can kind of go over information and read more about them. And then here is a sticker. This is that book that I'm telling you about. Is this a sign? There's all these things about these books in here. Ultimate pain relief. And then this one says the world's strongest coffee. Do you feel like you're floating yet? So here's some more information about the coffee. So just extra little things you can read up on if you would like. And then, oh, this is awesome. I love skulls, you guys. They do give you these little canvas prints. Last one was one of the girls. I don't know. I have it somewhere. I'm going to start collecting all these and like line them up together. But here is the print. This one, that is awesome. This is Skull by Jess Maschetti. I'm not sure how you say her name. Maschetti, Mascetti canvas. This is valued at $20. She's known for black and white realism. And it says, Jess lifts this 2-dimensional canvas into a sculpted masterpiece. That is awesome. I love that. I love skulls. So that's cool. So now I have 2 of it. They're the same size from the last box. And that is everything that is in this box. I will go ahead and add up the total value and put that right here so you can see what this box is worth. It says 100 plus total value, but I will add it all up and add it right here. Of course, that won't be with those 2 little added little bonuses, but everything else will be added with the shirt and all of that. So recapping, we have this amazing little canvas print, which I am loving that. We have a postcard, a patch with some coffee that's supposed to be like the world's strongest coffee. We have a hand moisturizer, all natural balm for aftercare for your tattoos. We have this little sticker that came in there. We have the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home big ol' mascara. Holy moly, that is huge. It's fat. And you have the t-shirt. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. So if you guys want to know a little bit more information about Marked by Inked, it is a hand-curated every other month subscription box curated exclusively for tattoo enthusiasts. Meet your new obsession. Now, what it is, you can do pay as you go, 1 box every 2 months, which is $39.95, or you can do the prepaid for the 3 months like I did, 3 boxes, which equals 6 months. So it's 1 box every 2 months and it's $99 and shipping is $6.95 in addition per box. No matter which way you go with it, it's $6.95 for shipping. In addition, this is an every other month subscription of 5+ high valued products celebrating tattoo culture. Every box features a collectible, a limited edition piece canvas, art by a notable tattoo artist, and an exclusive apparel from a top tattoo shop. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this box, this bi-monthly box this time. Again, this is my second one. I now can't wait for my 3rd box to come because this is so cool. I love getting products that are designed to help and brighten tattoos since I do have a lot of them. So I'm really excited to start getting this box to bring to you guys to show you. And that is everything that I have to show for you guys today. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.